Today, we are going to learn about the question phrases how long, how far, how often. Can you say them with me? How long, how far, how often. Overview. How long asks about duration or length of time. How long is the movie? How far asks about distance. How far is the nearest store? How often asks about frequency. How often do you exercise? How to use how far, how long, how often. Use how long when asking about the length of time something lasts. How long did you wait? How long will it take to finish a project? How long has she been living here? Use how far when asking about distance between two places or points. How far is it from here to the beach? How far did you run today? How far is your house from the school? Use how often when asking about the frequency or how many times something happens. How often do you visit your grandparents? How often should I water the plants? How often does it rain here? Quick review. Use how long when asking about the length of time something lasts. Use how far when asking about distance between two places. Use how often when asking about how many times something happens. Practice time. Choose the correct option. How long, how far, or how often. Do you go to school? How often do you go to school? Is your commute to work? How far is your commute to work? Is the flight from New York to Paris? How long is the flight from New York to Paris? Fantastic work today. You learned how to use how long, how far, how often. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.